Hey, good morning. Today we're going to be talking about determining interest rates. First off, annual percentage rate, or more commonly known as APR. The annual percentage rate, APR, indicates the interest rate paid or earned in 1 year without compounding. APR is also known as the nominal or quoted, which is stated, interest rate. We cannot compare two loans based on APR if they do not have the same compounding period. To make them comparable, we calculate their equivalent rate using an annual compounding period. We do this by calculating the effective annual rate, which is also known as EAR, E-A-R. Moving on to the nominal interest rate. So what is the nominal interest rate? The nominal interest rate refers to the interest rate before taking inflation into account. Nominal can also refer to the advertised or stated interest rate on a loan, without taking into account any fees or compounding of interest. Finally, the federal funds rate, the interest rate set by the Federal Reserve, can also be referred to as the nominal rate. So when we go to break down the nominal interest rate exists in contrast to real interest rates and effective interest rates. Real interest rates tend to be more important to investors and lenders, while effective rates are significant for borrowers as well as investors and lenders. The biggest thing to take into consideration here when we're talking about finance and economics is the nominal interest rate or nominal rate of interest is either two distinct things: the rate of interest before adjustment or inflation, or for interest rates as stated without adjustment for the full effect of compounding. And finally, we land on the effective interest rate. The effective annual interest rate is the interest rate that is actually earned or paid on an investment, loan, or other financial product due to the result of compounding over a given time period. It is also called the effective interest rate. The effective rate of the annual equivalent rate. So what is the effective annual rate really actually telling us? The effective annual interest rate is an important concept in finance because it is used to compare different products, including things such as loans, lines of credit, investment products like deposits or certificates that are calculated, compounded interest differently. So for example, if an investment pays 10% compounded monthly and the investment pays 10.1% compounded semi-annually, the effective annual interest rate can be used to determine which investment will actually pay more over the course of the year.